Hello guys, ini Jack hari ini aku mau berbicara tentang coronavirus aka COVID-19. Aku mau berbicara tentang sekarang gimana ini di Prancis. Aku tidak akan berbicara tentang coronavirus karena aku berpikir kalian tahu tentang ini. uh, what we should do to fight it. Aku mau berbicara tentang the situation di Prancis, the pemerintah government decided and just like how is it really di Prancis. Hari ini hari Senin 16 Mac dan sekarang bisa pergi keluar tapi ini malam Presiden Macron akan berbicara tentang ini dan it should, so it's not sure yet, tapi Macron mengumumkan lockdown. It means starting dari besok orang Prancis tidak akan bisa pergi keluar untuk fun, seperti tidak bisa pergi ke park, tidak bisa pergi ke untuk bertemu temanku. Untuk itu bisa pergi keluar hanya untuk pergi membeli makanan dan pergi ke farmasi in order to buy medicine. So it's a full lockdown that harus mulai starting tomorrow if anything if nothing change. Tapi sekarang sekolah dan banyak tempat pekerjaan, place to work, are closed and all people worked from home. Jika full lockdown happen, it will mean tentara di jalanan. Ini penting karena sekarang di Prancis dan di Europe coronavirus menyebar dengan cepat dan ini dangerous karena like you probably know, untuk banyak orang coronavirus ini tidak dangerous. Like I don't know we said that in Indonesian, tapi it's in some I don't even know we said in English, but basically you don't suffer from anything. Tapi bisa transmit, give it to other people, like infect other people. Ini karena coronavirus banyak sederhana, dangerous I think. Dan ini karena sekarang pemerintah mau tutup selalu tempat, every places. Karena seperti yesterday, so I forgot what we said. Yesterday di Prancis ada elections dan ini tidak baik dan banyak orang tidak bahagia tentang ini karena ini gimana the virus spread. So dengan full lockdown, everyone will have to stay at home, besides to buy food obviously. Dan ini harus how can I say, stop or slow down the spread of the virus. Jika aku membuat video tentang ini tidak, like I've said, ini tidak untuk berbicara tentang coronavirus, tapi aku mau berbicara tentang the situation di Prancis. Mungkin ada orang yang mau tahu tentang ini di Europe, di Prancis. Seperti sekarang di Italy, they've been in full lockdown for about 10 days a week I think. Dan karena di Italy the situation was and still is honestly very bad. It's the same untuk Spain, and dari besok, if nothing changed like I've said, it will be di Prancis dan I assume soon di Germany. Ini tidak mudah honestly. Sekarang aku tidak pergi ke sekolah, so it's not gonna change a lot my life. Tapi seperti aku tidak bisa bertemu temanku, tidak bisa pergi ke gym. So and more than that, ini how can I say, boring karena tidak ada cukup test. It means tidak selalu orang tidak bisa membuat the test. So it means we can't know for sure if we have the virus or not. Because like I've said earlier, many people have the virus but don't suffer from anything, from troubles to breathe or coughing a lot or anything like this, then it's the real danger to not know. I mean, that's my opinion, and I think that's the government opinion. That's why America mau tutup selalu tempat every places. I don't know if we select like this, but yeah, the full lockdown, what it really will do and already does, it affect the economy. I mean, with everything closing, there is so much people seperti orang yang bekerja di small company we're gonna lose a lot. Company will have to close, stuff like this. And I believe in the long term, because the virus won't stay in the long term, it's the real danger of the virus. I mean, beside the dead people, but it's a tough thing to talk about. But I mean, for the situation about the world, it's the dangerous thing, the economy on the long term. Thanks the evolution of the virus, the government said that ini akan what can I say? It's gonna be seperti ini untuk banyak minggu or even bulan for weeks or months. Then that's the other worrying part in my opinion. Dan kami tidak tahu gimana ini akan mulai, and kami tidak tahu gimana it's gonna evolve. It's the bad. I mean, everything is bad, but it's the thing that adds more troubles. It's kami tidak tahu gimana ini akan change, evolve, and yeah, sekarang kami ada di full lockdown, tapi berapa lama ini akan seperti itu? 2 weeks, like they announced first, then maybe a month, which is more likely, 2 months, 3 months, we don't know. So yeah, tapi honestly, I'm not gonna say it's fine, but it's not the end of the world. Ini apa yang aku mau bilang di lain orang, it's not the end of the world. Kami harus mendengar to the government. We have to listen to what they say. But seperti sekarang di Prancis tidak bisa pergi ke luar untuk tidak penting things, like I've said. Tapi ada banyak orang, they don't listen. Many people, they just don't listen the recommendation. Then it's the most dangerous thing, I believe. Jika orang-orang tidak how can I say, obey, it's a bit strong, but if orang-orang tidak obey to the government recommendation, sorry, ini akan menjadi sangat sederhana, dangerous. I'm not sure. So yeah, that's all I have to say. It's not a very long video, tapi aku mau share tentang gimana di Prancis. So yeah, if the things change a lot, maybe I'll do another video, but I think ini cukup. Aku mau tidak berbicara banyak tentang coronavirus. Aku tidak berpikir ini something menarik, seru berbicara tentang ini. So yeah, terima kasih, dan I'll see you next time for hopefully a more positive video. See you next time.